Does every key fob require reprogramming after a battery replacement?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to tackle an interesting question many car owners may have wondered about. When you replace the battery in your key fob, do you also need to reprogram it? Let's delve into this topic and find out the truth.
What is a key fob?
To start with, let's clarify what a key fob is. A key fob is a small, pocket-sized device that is typically provided with a vehicle to perform various functions. This can range from unlocking and locking the doors, to starting the car remotely, or even opening the trunk. It does this by communicating with the car's onboard computer system using radio waves.
How does a key fob work?
A key fob works on a simple principle. It transmits a unique code that the car's onboard computer recognizes. When you press a button on the key fob, it sends this code along with a command, such as unlock doors. If the onboard computer recognizes the code, it will perform the command. This communication system is powered by a small battery inside the key fob, which can run out over time.
Does replacing the battery reset the key fob?
Now to the main question. When you replace the battery in your key fob, does it reset the device? Do you need to reprogram it? The short answer is, in most cases, no. The programming information, which is the specific code that your car recognizes, is stored on a chip inside the key fob. This chip is not dependent on the battery and therefore, the information is not lost when you change the battery.
Exceptions to the rule.
While the majority of key fobs will not require reprogramming after a battery replacement, there are some exceptions to this rule. Certain models of cars may have unique or complex systems that require the key fob to be reprogrammed after a battery change. This is, however, quite rare. Always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual or contact the manufacturer if you're unsure. So, to wrap it up, for the majority of vehicles, you do not need to reprogram your key fob after changing the battery. However, it's always a good idea to consult your vehicle's manual or your manufacturer to be certain. We hope this information helps you the next time you find yourself with a low battery warning on your key fob. Thanks for watching.